Now that the dust has settled, I think it's only fair we talk about the performance of Sipho Mbule, which was extraordinary. Performance of Mbule Bafethu showed so much. He made sure he was trying his best to make sure we win namhlanje. He was shooting the passes, everything about Sipho Mbule was there. Just unfortunate ukuthi amagola wangenanga and he was trying his best. You know, sometimes you can play. Sometimes you can be at the right place, but a little bit of luck can go somewhere. Can take you a long way. Just a little bit of luck. Njengalo mjidelo we-082. Wazihambela nje nomngane wakhe wabona uSimomondiya samcela inamba wathi 082. Nathi namhlanje besidinga 082. Today besidinga 082. It's just unfortunate ukuthi amagola wangenanga, but Sipho Mbule ngicela ukukunika mfethu i-man of the match. And angibona ngi-man of the match, angifuna ukuthina, ngibona ngi-man of the match. Ngikwate kakhulu ngavela ngathi yazini cima lo Dodwe TV ngahamba ngaye endlini ngahamba ngaye ekamereni. But it's fine. Ngizochecka manje. But for me, my man of the match is uSipho Mbule.